Komo AI is making waves as a new AI search tool, but does it really deliver on its promises? Today we're diving into what this platform offers and whether it's worth your time and money. Komo AI positions itself as an AI-powered search tool designed to enhance your online research experience. The core functionality revolves around providing users with quick, relevant search results while utilizing AI to refine and personalize those results. From what I've seen, the user interface is relatively straightforward, which should appeal to both casual users and more seasoned researchers. However, there are areas where the experience feels a bit lacking. For instance, while the AI claims to learn from your search habits, it's not always clear how well this personalization works in practice. Some users might find the need for additional features like advanced filtering options or integration with other research tools. The intended audience appears to be anyone from students to professionals looking to streamline their information gathering. But I have to say, some of the claims about its capabilities feel a bit vague, leaving me curious about how effective it really is in diverse scenarios. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Komo AI does offer a clean and user-friendly interface that makes searching feel efficient. The AI-driven results can save time, especially for those who often sift through large volumes of information. But there are some downsides. One of my main frustrations is the lack of transparency regarding how the AI processes and prioritizes information. Plus, there are limited features compared to other search tools, which could be a deal breaker for advanced users. Pricing is another concern. Without clear information on cost, it's hard to gauge if it's worth investing in. Overall, those who need a straightforward search tool might find a benefit here, but power users may want to look elsewhere for more robust options. In conclusion, Komo AI could be a solid choice for casual users seeking a simple and efficient search experience. However, if you're looking for advanced features or deeper customization, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it feels worth trying, but approach with a bit of caution regarding its limitations.